a lesson about shapes. And so what I need you to do first is I need you to go home, and I'm going to pass out these bags. And there's a letter to your parents to watch a video. You need to watch the video for our lesson tomorrow because we're going to have a lot of fun doing our lesson. But you can't do it if you don't watch the video that is on the bag here. So you need to give this bag to your parents, and they'll read the letter. And at the end of the video, it'll tell you what you need to do. You'll bring the bag back tomorrow. And so I'm going to just pass these out to you, and then I'll call you by table to go and put them in your mailbox, okay? So who's the paper helper for this week? Okay, Riley. Does anybody have any questions? Connor?
My computer at my house doesn't work, so I might have to use my dad's computer.
Okay. Or if you can't, you can come in the morning. Come early in the morning, and I will help you watch it, okay?
Yeah. Why do we have
their bag back, which is good. Now, you all have headbands on, so if I see you guys messing with them or wearing them improperly, then I'm going to have to take it, and you won't be able to play the game that we're going to use them for later, okay? Okay. So, what I want you to do is I'm going to give you a couple minutes, and you're going to take out what you have in your bag, and you're going to share it with your table. Tell them what you brought and what shape you see in that.
I brought 4 items. The one you said in the video.
Wait, what shape is that? Circle.
And this is triangle.
So everybody's shared at their table what they brought. So I'm going to call you up by table, and over here on the carpet, you're going to walk, and I have labels. If you brought a square, a rectangle, a triangle, or a circle, you're going to put it under that whatever name tag it has, okay? So I'm going to pick the quietest table, the one who's not playing with their items. Woodpeckers. Bring your items over on the carpet here. And your old friend. Wait, keep videoing. Okay, so I want someone to come over with me, and I want them to look and see how many items we have. Let's see. Hayden, come here. Now, which one do you think we have the most of?
Rectangles.
You think we have the most rectangles? Okay, let's count the rectangles.
1, 2, 10.
So we have 10 rectangles, right? Can someone remember that for me? We have 10 rectangles. Okay, count the circles. It looks like we have a lot of those.
1, 2, 14.
14 circles. We have 14 circles. So which do we have more of? Rectangles or circles? Circles, right? Because how many circles did we have?
14.
14. And how many rectangles did we have? 10, right. So people found more circles than any other shape, right?
Yeah.
I wonder, what shape did we find the least of? Who wants to come help me count? Riley. What shape did we find the least of?
Triangles.
Triangles? How many did we find? Okay, but, I forgot. I brought something in my bag. I showed you all examples of a rectangle, a square, and a circle, right? But what I didn't show you was a triangle. So I put a triangle in my bag. So if I go and put this with the triangles, how many do we have now?
8.
8. So how many squares do we have, though?
1, 2.
We have 9 squares. So we have one more square than triangles. So which item was the hardest to find? What was it, Bella?
A triangle.
A triangle. What we're going to do is y'all found items in your house, around your house. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look in this book, and we're going to see what we can find and find what shapes in this book that we can find. We're going to trace what shapes they see, okay? So I don't want to hear any bags moving, or I don't want to see you guys playing around, okay? I need you guys to pay attention. You ready? This is the first picture we're going to see. Okay, who wants to come up and point out what shapes they see? Finn.
Triangles right there. And there.
You want to trace it?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Right there. Look at that. How many do you see?
2.
2?
One here and one there.
So what we're going to do is I'm going to ask some questions, and then make sure you guys know what your shape is. So I'll do an example. If you are a shape that has 3 sides and 3 points, stand up. Okay, so people that stood up, what shape are you? Triangle. My shape has 4 equal sides. Hayden, what shape is it?
A square.
A square. Good job. Why isn't it a rectangle, guys? Why isn't it a rectangle?
Because there's 2 short sides and 2 long.
Did everybody hear what Wrigley said?
Yes.
There's 2 short sides and 2 long sides. So does that equal 4? Is that 4 equal sides? No, but a square has 4 equal sides, right? All right, sit down. What shape do you get if I fold it in half?
A rectangle.
You're supposed to stand up. Who's a rectangle? Good. If you're a rectangle, you're standing. Because if I fold this square in half, I get a rectangle, right?
Yeah.
Now, y'all can sit down. What happens if I fold it diagonally?
Triangle.
You're a triangle, you stand up. Good job. Okay, everybody sit down.
What's your respect?
I'll wait for you guys.
Let's show respect to Miss Jessica.
All right, now we're done with that game. We're going to start something new. Okay, I'm going to pass out a piece of construction paper, either black or white. And what you're going to do is you all have different colored shapes. Don't touch them yet. Okay, I need you guys to clear your desk. You all have a piece of paper, and you have shapes in the middle of your table. Everybody is going to be sharing those shapes, and you're going to need your glue stick, but don't get it out yet. What you're going to be doing is you're going to take the shapes, and you're going to make a picture with them. Okay, so you have all the shapes that we've talked about. Who can name one? Bella.
Square.
Square. Who can name another? Hayden. Circle. Who can name another? Reagan. Rectangle. And the last one? Lincoln? Triangle. So we have square, circle, rectangle, and triangle. So you have all those shapes in your box. You have big ones, little ones, medium ones. You have ones that look like picture frames. You can use whatever ones you want. And you're going to make a picture.
No. In the next topic, we're pocket edition. I have the Xbox One.
What are you making, Finn?
What'd you make, Parker? Spider-Man? Wow, what is this? A building? Is he swinging?
You can see.
That's really cool.
So you don't
Riley,
watch Pac-Man
what did you
and
make?
A car.
A car with a person in it? Wow, that's